Whitley County, Indiana, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Mexico and moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado in quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near North Manchester around 3:50 p.m. South Whitley around 4 p.m. Columbia City around 4:05 p.m. Other locations in the warning include Urbana, Laketon, Liberty Mills, Bitmas, Bracken, Collimer, Luther, Gogosville, Tunker, and Washington Center. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana: Huntington, Wabash, and Whitley. A severe